welcome, and thanks for watching. It's raining here in Kentucky. We got some severe weather warnings, some tornado warnings, and we was headed out to the range again this morning, and it started pouring, and so we had to postpone that for a little while. But we're going to do a review on a little Savage. This is the over and under. It's a model 24. Now it's chambered in a 22 long rifle and a 20 gauge, and it shoots 2 3/4 and 3-inch shells, and just pretty neat. Now it has checkered forearm, and the pistol grip right here is checkered. It has a walnut stock and forearm, and I know we was talking about the checkered wood on there, but it does have a walnut stalk and forearm, and has this little, what I call a teardrop decoration there. That's kind of neat. Now, this was introduced in 1938 by Stevens, and then was in service by the end of 1938. Then Savage took over around 1950 and made it through until 1910. And like I say, guys, they made this in multiple calibers and different gauge shotgun, 12, 20, 410. I'm not for sure about the 28. I'm pretty sure they made it in a 16, but I'm not for sure about the 28. So if you don't have anything about that, let me know. Because that would be neat, 28 gauge in this. Now it has 24-inch barrels, and that thunder just cracked out there. Weather's getting pretty rough here. And so it has 24-inch barrels. Now the weight is around 7 pounds, and the overall length is 41 inches. Now the breakdown is right here at your fingertip. And now this one don't throw shells, it simply brings them up and you can get a hold of them. And you don't have to get down at the range and pick them up. You can just pull them out, put them in your, if you're saving your holes, that's pretty neat. If they eject them, you're gonna get down on the ground and pick them up. So I kind of like that. Now, this one has the hammer selector switch. You flip it down, you're going to be shooting your 20 gauge barrel. You flip it up, and this shoots your 22. And the trigger pull on this is pretty nice. Now it has flip down rear sights, and they are somewhat adjustable on the windage, and the elevation. It has the dovetail joint, so you could make some slight adjustments there, but this one's right on the money. Now it does have a groove here for the 3/8 mount for your scope. So that is an option, but it actually says with a scope you don't want to use the shotgun, because what happens, you just can't get it tight enough on these. And for the 22, it'd be great if that's what you're using. But now with the shotgun, that's going to eventually move on you. It just seems like you can't get them tight enough. Now, guys, this is just a neat looking shotgun. And I wanted to bring this to you while we was out here and couldn't get out to do any reviews outside, and so we wanted to do a video, and so this is what we picked out to do it on. Pretty awesome looking little shotgun and a lot of fun to shoot. If you have one, get down in the comment section and tell me what you got. They made several different models in this: 22 mag, 20 gauge, 22 mag, actually 410, then they made the 223, 20 gauge, 243, all kinds of different calibers in this. a little over and under over the years. And but if you got any information on it, we'd be glad to hear from you and tell us what you know about the little shotgun. It's always a pleasure hearing from y'all. So, guys, we had the opportunity to bring this to you, and we thought we'd pick this one out and do a review on it. So, guys, as always, we appreciate you watching. We thank you for all your views and comments. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And give us a big thumbs up. It seems to help. And we'll see you all the next time. Maybe out to my little mini range or over to the local range, trying out some guns or doing some ammo testing on the Walk with Al. Thank you ever so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of y'all.